Hi guys!
Welcome to another episode. In the previous video, we made our way to the Dinosaur Park in Râșnov, Brașov, and today we are going to see the Râsnov Citadel. We've just entered the Râsnov Citadel. We hope you enjoyed this video.
And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
We just came out of the Dino Park and now we're gonna take that train again and try to go up a bit to the Râsnov Citadel. We just stopped in the tractor and we are going to the next station, which is the Râsnov Citadel. In the tractor. We've just entered the Râsnov Citadel gate, and unfortunately only the outdoor area is open. The citadel inside is closed for renovation at this time, but we'll be just admiring it from outside now. We'll take some shots of it and I'll show you. Who is there? There are amazing views from here all around the mountain area. We just reached the actual entry inside the inner courtyard. It's closed because of the renovation. Located around 20 kilometers away from Brașov city, the Râsnov Citadel is a must-visit if you ever find yourself in this area. The Citadel grounds offer beautiful views of the surrounding area and of the historic town of Râșnov below. Access to the Citadel can also be done through a funicular, this being by far the easiest way up straight from the town below. The inner parts of the Citadel will be again open to the public in 2023. Overall, it is worth checking out both the old and charming town of Râșnov and the Râsnov Citadel if you're ever in the Brașov area. A clear view of the town of Râșnov down here. I've walked a bit around the outer walls here, and you can just admire the views down there towards the town of Râșnov and the views of the mountain. Well, the citadel is quite impressive. It's actually quite big. It has outer walls of defense, and then there's an inner court and so on. It was first built before the Roman invasion here, while the Dacians were here in this area. They are the ones who built probably one of the first fortresses here, and then it was further modernized and extended by the Romans, and in the Dark Ages, medieval times, it was further modernized and extended. We are exiting the Citadel of Râșnov, and we're gonna make our way back down. This is the exit. After a busy day visiting the park, the Dinosaur Park and the Râsnov Citadel, Elijah is now chilling out with an ice cream. Yum, yum, yum. And mommy is having a corn. And dad is having a lemonade. We just got back to the car, and we are now leaving the Dino Park and the Râsnov Citadel. We really enjoy our time here. Elijah really loved the Dino Park, and it was a beautiful family time. We hope you enjoy watching this video. Remember to share it, give us a like and comment below. And if you love watching our videos, kindly click that subscribe and bell icon above. Thanks, and see you on the next one.